Hi, welcome to Light Tech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I will share with you on how to access app downloaded folders and move videos using Zachiver. Before I start, know that this video is basically for educational purpose and not to bypass copyright policy. The first step you have to take is to go to your Play Store or App Store and download Zachiver app. Click on the open option. So right here, all you have to do is to click on Android option. Click on data option. So right here, you just have to select the particular app that you downloaded the video. Let's say I downloaded the video using my Moviebox. You just click on the com.community.oneroom. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the files option here. Click on download option. Click on D. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the video. Click on the open option. So right here at the top right corner, you're going to see the share icon. Click on it. So you can now share your videos or move your video to any app of your choice. You can even move it from here to your file manager, even as a message. So guys, that is it on how to access app downloaded folder and move videos using Zachiver. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.